So US again, it will ask. So what is your gender? What is the race? Ethnicity? It will ask. And again, questions we can give so that it will populate in the job application tomorrow. We'll get to know while doing this. Few things. And apply personal information like non-USA. We can give here. We can select any country, like India, because non-USA right. Any country we can select here. There are nothing as such. However, this personal information non-US state of birth, it will take. And what is your date of birth? Again, the one which I explained to you. Country of birth. Any disability. You have a disability. This kind of question will be asked. When it comes to apply previous worker, we can fetch previous workers, like their email employee ID. So it's a kind of like busy we do right. Few things we will do. So it's like that. It will ask for employee ID. What is the previous employee ID? What is the employee ID? We can give the text here. And again. So what is the location? What is your manager mobile number? We can give what is your manager mobile number. So like that. And location, all those things. So when it comes to apply terms and agreement, so this is like. So terms and conditions. Once we get candidate account in external site, for which country-specific terms and conditions we can give here. Country-specific. Because the terms and conditions will be different for each and every country. Right. So it should be like Albania. What is the terms and conditions we can give? I mean all those things which will be client-specific, which will be documented in the workbook. This is again as I said. It will be given by client. And when it comes to candidate concerned. So once candidate home account is created, then a pop-up message will apply. Like. Thanks for applying. Like that. It will come. And when it comes to applying confirmation message. Thank you for applying. We will get back to you soon. Like that, some kind of confirmation we will get. Thanks for applying for this position. We will get back to you soon with a short list or something. I would say, like those kind of confirmation messages we will get. Again, we cannot decide anything over here. Everything will be client here. So that is the good thing. That is the easy thing you know in this section. So when it comes to other one, so this apply, voluntary self-identity disability, if it is U.S. candidate, yeah. We can give these things. Disability, or because they will check right. Candidate is disabled. We have to give that details. When it comes to applying inline assessment, this is quite important. Sometimes, we will be seeing right when we are creating the job requisitions. What happens in the Generally few tests are taken. Right assessment means test right. Whatever the candidates, they wrote all those tests. They will be having the final results right. So, regarding those final results, the integration will pop up over here. And there are third-party people will be taking care of all those things. And here integration actually requires, And again, the message will be given by a client. So integration team will take care in this manner. So other one candidate home account. Like I would say, sidebar same the one yesterday. We spoken right. Something maybe. Maybe we can cut this. Almost similar. Yes. Yesterday we've seen the sidebar right. Similar to that one. Same, almost equally similar. Might be. Yeah. Same one. Like welcome message, which will to the right-hand side of. External carrier site will get to know welcome. This message will be populating and about all those things. Again, job requisition will also come over there. This kind of details. And when it comes to next feature, like my task, intro text. So what would be the intro text? Like I would say, any pending task candidate will see the related things in his inbox, item right. See candidate will get some few notifications which will pop up to his candidate home account. So like I would say, please complete the below tasks which are pending from your side. Please complete the below task. I mean he'll get the notification of everything over there. And at the same time, he has to complete all the things which are pending. Like that.